When casting on, the first thing we need to do is create a slip knot. So to do this, we cross our tail over our working yarn that's connected to the ball, and then reach through and grab that tail and pull it through to a knot. And then what we're going to do is slide it onto our needle, which then creates our first stitch. And to secure that, you just pull down on the tail and get it nice and snug on your needle. Now we're going to create our second stitch. So to do this, we slide our right needle into the back of that stitch like this. And then we grab the piece of wool that's connected to the ball and wrap it around that back needle anti-clockwise. And then slip your right needle through and catch that stitch like this. And then we're going to pull it over our left needle. And so now you have 2 stitches. And we're going to do it again. So this time slide your right needle through the back of that stitch, wrap your wool anti-clockwise around your back needle, and then pull it down, catch that stitch, and then pull it out and slip it onto your left needle. And now nice and close, so slip your right needle into the back of that stitch, grab your working yarn and wrap it around your back needle anti-clockwise so it's wedged in between the 2 needles, and then catch that stitch by pulling your needle forward. Now we're going to pull that right needle out so that we can fit the wool over our left needle. And we'll do another stitch to show you how it's done. All you need to do now is repeat this for the allocated amount of stitches that you need to cast on for your pattern, and then you're off and racing.